Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Sims, the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am back to teach you another line dance. It's called Mountain High and it's perfect instructors for your beginners, especially those who are just walking in class. You can easily call out the steps without stopping your class, and you can keep it moving and keep it going. It's called Mountain High. It is a one wall dance, and I'm gonna give you the step-by-step instructions. Before I do, I want to say thank you to everyone that's supporting the NOLA Southern Experience 2026. We sold out in less than 24 hours. It was the first ever, guys. Thank you so much for your support. We appreciate you. If you're watching this channel for the first time and you're interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. This is the demo, the instructional. If you're interested in dancing along with the music, just watch till the end and we can dance together. So are you ready, guys? Let's go. So I'm going to turn my back to you, okay? And my weight is on the left. We're going to start with a kick, ball, change, out, in, kick, ball, change, out, in. So the instructors, this is teaching your students to do a kick, ball, change, okay? So on the right, kick, ball, change. And when I change, my heel is up. So I kick on my right, my left heel is up, I go out and in, and I kick, ball, change with my heel up, kick on the left, and out and in on the right. So let's do that together. 5, 6, 7, 8. Kick, ball, change, out, in, kick, ball, change, out, in. So I kick on the right, kick, ball, change, and I tap out and in on the left. I kick on the left, kick, ball, change, and I tap out and in on the right. Then I'm going to come back. I go out, cross back, out, cross back, out, cross back, and out, cross back. And I do that 4 times. Right, left, and I'm going to repeat that sequence again with the kick, ball, changing, tapping out. Okay, so let's put it all together. 5, 6, 7, 8. Kick right and tap out and in, kick left and out and in on the right, out in on the left, out and in on the right, out in on the left. Do it again. Kick, ball, change, out, in, kick, ball, change, out, in. Out, 1, 2, back, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right? So I tap back, cross back, tap out and cross back. I did it 4 times. Right, left, right, left. So let's add on. So we're going to cha-cha up. Cha-cha on the right. 1 and 2. Rock, recover, 3, 4. Tap back, 5, 6. Back, 7, and 8. All right. So my weight is on the right, and I tapped on my left. Let's do that again. 5, 6, 7. Cha-cha up. 1 and 2. Up, 3, 4. Roll back. 5. Tap, 6, 7. Tap, 8. From here, we're just going to stay here and roll. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So we do that 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And you're going to count on the downbeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right? So let's do that cha-cha. 5, 6, 7. Cha-cha up. 1 and 2, 3, 4, left, 5, tap, 6, 7, 8. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? From here, we're going to go with the right heel, left heel. Right heel, left heel, right jazz square. Do it again. Right heel, left heel, right jazz square. And you do that 2 times. From here, the dance is over. Okay? Real easy. So let's go back to the top. So we do, just a review, we do a kick, ball, change on the right, tap out and in on the left. We kick, ball, change on the left, kick So we're going to do that sequence again with kickball change. Then we're going to go up with the cha-cha. 1 and 2, rock 3, 4, roll back on the left. 5, tap 6, back 7, and 8. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Right heel, left heel. 1, 2, 3, 4. Jazz square. Right, left, right, left. Right heel, left heel. Right jazz square. Right, left, right, left. And we start with the kick, okay? We're never going to turn. It's always going to be a one-wall dance, okay? So let's put it together. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2. Out 3 and 4. 5 and 6. Out 7 and 8. Out 1. 2. Move it back. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Do it again. 1 and 2. Out 3 and 4. Kick 5 and 6. Out 7 and 8. Out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Cha-cha. 1 and 2, 3, 4. Back 5. Tap 6, 7, 8. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Heel 1, 2, 3, 4. Cross 5, 6, 7, 8. Heel 1, 2, 3, 4. Cross 5, 6, 7, and 8. From here, the dance starts over. Okay? We're going to start with your kickball change again. Let's do that again. 5, 6. Weight is on the left. Kick on the right. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7. Kick right. 1 and 2 on left. 3, 4. Kick left. 5 and 6. Out 7, 8. Out. Cross back. You're moving back. 2 more. Now kick on that right. Kickball change. Tap out and in. Kickball change. Tap out and in. Tap back. Cross back. 2 more. Let's do that cha-cha. 1 and 2. Rock. 3, 4. Roll back on the left. Roll back on the right. And hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right heel, left heel. Jazz square cross. Right, left, right, left. Right heel, left heel. Jazz square. And right, left, right, left. From here, you start over. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cha-cha. 1 and 2, 3, 4. Roll back. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Heel. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cross 5, 6, 7, 8. Heel 1, 2, 3, 4. Cross 5, 6, 7, 8. And kick ball change. Out and starting to dance over. That's mountain high. Instructors, that's the perfect dance for your beginners. You can easily call out the steps and they can easily pick it up just by you calling out the step. It's this way. I've identified several dances and I've actually created a playlist on my tablet. So when I have those new people come in, I always go to that list. And what I do is, for my regular class, I have a playlist. So I go into class already knowing what I'm going to cover on my playlist. I always do a review of dances before I teach anything new. So when I have new people, I still go to that same playlist. And what I'll do is I'll explain to my beginners that I'm going to keep you moving. Okay, I need you to keep coming back. And as you come, you'll pick up the step, you'll pick up the terminology. So what I'll tell them, I'll play 2 songs for you, then I'll play 2 for the ones that's been coming, 2 songs for you, and then 2 for the ones who's been coming, okay? So that's how I start my playlist. So I'll start 2 songs that I identify on that beginner playlist where I can just call it out, okay? I'm not stopping the class at all. It can be well. We walk into the right, walk into the left, walk into the right, walk into just those basic steps. And as I'm doing those, I'm calling out the steps, I'm calling out the terminologies, and they're learning as they go. I'm going to play 2 songs like that. Then I'm going to go back to my regular playlist because my people that's been coming, they're bored with those dances, okay? So I'm going back to my original playlist for them, and I'm going to play 2 for them. Now, what do the people, beginners, do? I encourage them to stay on the floor, or they can go sit on the side and take a little break, okay? Because my class is 2 hours, and normally when you have a beginner that comes to class, they don't really have attention span for a 2-hour class. So if they want to take a little break, they're like, okay, I'm gonna just stand on the side, okay? So I go to my regular playlist and play 2 for my regular class. Then I call them if they on the side and say, come on, guys. These 2 dances are for you. And then I'll play 2 dances for them. The one that I just did is one of the dances that I would have on their playlist. And I do that throughout the entire class. 2 and 2, 2 and 2. That way I don't abort my entire plan that I have for my regular class because new people have come in. Okay? I cater to both people. So at the end of the class, everybody has gotten something out of the class. So I hope that helps. That's what I do. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you do when new people come in. I don't take requests. I don't take requests. So they come in, they want to know boots on the ground. If I play it, they better pick it up on the floor, okay? Because that means you're constantly stopping. You're constantly stopping. And I encourage them to come back. Keep coming back. Because sometimes people come in your class and then they never come back again. So I done wasted all my time with them and they don't come back. So I encourage them to keep coming. And the playlist that I use, 2 for beginners and 2 for the ones that's been coming, everybody gets something. When the class is over, everybody's having a great workout. So let me know what you do in your class, instructors. So my name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. Make sure you check out the demo. This is the instructional. I'm going to post the demo at the end. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.